Today, we're delving into the world of refrigerator repairs and replacements with the CoreCentric Remanufactured Refrigerator Electronic Control Board. If you've stumbled upon this video, chances are you're in need of a reliable solution for your Samsung refrigerator's malfunctioning control board. Well, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into what this product has to offer. First things first, let's talk compatibility. The CoreCentric solution is designed to seamlessly replace Samsung's DA94-02275B, DA92000484B, and DA92-00484B control boards. This means if you own a compatible Samsung refrigerator experiencing issues with its electronic control, this could be the fix you've been searching for. One of the standout features of this replacement board is its 12-month warranty. Now, in the realm of electronic components, a warranty is like a safety net, providing peace of mind in case anything goes awry. Knowing that you have a solid year of coverage can really boost your confidence in the product's reliability. But let's not just stop at the warranty. The form factor of this control board is compact, ensuring it fits snugly into your refrigerator without taking up unnecessary space. And speaking of space, the solid pattern construction ensures durability, giving you reassurance that this replacement will last. Now, let's tackle the elephant in the room, the installation process. Swapping out a control board might sound daunting, but fear not, as CoreCentric has made it as painless as possible. With electronic lock-type compatibility, installation becomes a breeze, even for those less technically inclined. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable replacement control board for your Samsung refrigerator, the CoreCentric Remanufactured Refrigerator Electronic Control Board is definitely worth considering. With compatibility, durability, and a generous warranty, it's a solid choice to regain control of your refrigeration unit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.